Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about 2025, not just another tech year, but a year that completely changed how technology shapes our lives. The year 2025 was not about new applications, it was not about fancy gadgets, and not about startups raising money, but it was actually about power. Power over data, power over energy, power over governments, and power over the future. Now, in this video, let us break down the biggest tech stories of 2025 and why they actually matter in our lives. Headline number one: AI became basic infrastructure. AI became basic infrastructure. In 2025, AI stopped being optional, it became mandatory. Just like the electricity, just like the internet, every company, even the government, and every industry, be it finance, healthcare, education, or manufacturing, they all depend on AI. So, if you didn't use AI, you fell behind. As simple as that. But here is a twist: AI didn't hit a technical limit, it hit a power limit. Power limit. Headline number two: the AI and the energy crisis. The AI and the energy crisis. AI needs massive electricity. Data centers exploded across the world. Power grids started struggling. Even some countries delayed shutting down their old coal plants because renewables alone were not enough for AI energy. In 2025, we learned something important. AI is not just a piece of software, it is actually a physical infrastructure. Electricity, cooling, land, water. Without power, AI doesn't work at all. Now let's talk about the third headline: tech meets politics and it struggles. One of the most surprising stories was Elon Musk entering government reform. Special department was created to improve efficiency. The idea sounded great. Run the government like a startup, use automation, cut the waste. But soon, reality hit hard. Very hard. Government don't move like tech companies. Politics, laws, bureaucracy. Eventually, the experiment faded. The lesson? Silicon Valley logic doesn't always work in Washington DC. Silicon Valley logic doesn't always work in Washington DC. China's DeepSeek shocked the AI world, which was the fourth headline. A Chinese startup called DeepSeek, it released an AI models that matched top Western AI models, but they were cheaper, they were more open, they were accessible. This actually shocked the global AI industry. And it proved one thing: AI leadership is no longer guaranteed for any single country. But AI race is actually global now. Let's talk about the fifth headline: the rise of sovereign AI. After DeepSeek, governments woke up. Countries started asking, do we control our own AI? Our own chips? Our own data? So, this basically led to the idea of sovereign AI. National data centers, domestic chip manufacturing, local AI regulations. Because of that, tech globalization actually slowed down. Tech nationalism rose. Sixth headline: Australia bans social media for kids. In a historic move, Australia banned social media for children under 16. Platforms had to verify age, remove underage accounts. Supporters said that this will protect the mental health of the children, but critics, on the other hand, warned about privacy and surveillance. But one thing is clear: governments are no longer afraid to regulate big tech companies. Seventh headline: AI agents and robotics advanced, but reality checked them. AI agents started planning tasks, executing workflows, even making the decisions. Robotics improved in factories and warehouses, but headlines also showed some failures. Demos worked quite good, but real life implementation was kind of messy. So 2025 reminded us scaling technology is harder than inventing it. Scaling technology is harder than inventing it. Let's go to the next headline. Headline number 8: open source AI closed the gap. Open source AI models became powerful. Not perfect, but good enough. Startups, students, developing countries, everyone gained access to AI. But this also raised several risks. Risks like security, misuse of AI, and it will need further regulation. So basically, OpenAI brought freedom and bring fear with us. Freedom with fear. Ninth headline: cybersecurity became an AI war. Cybersecurity became an AI war. Hackers used AI. Phishing, it got smarter. Attacks got faster. So companies responded with AI defense systems. So cybersecurity became a boardroom issue, not just IT. So basically AI versus AI. AI attack, AI defense. Let's go to the last headline, final one. Tech billionaires moved closer to power. In 2025, tech leaders stopped staying neutral. They openly influenced policies, they influenced AI laws, they influenced chip exports, energy decisions. So basically, we can say technology and politics officially merged. So, what did 2025 teach us? That technology is no longer neutral. AI depends on energy, and innovation has some consequences also. And that the future is not just about smarter machines, but actually about smarter decisions. If 2024 was about possibility, 2025 was about responsibility. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel for more tech related information, and comment below which tech story of 2025 impacted you the most. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.